We're working on a 2018 Toyota RAV4, and what we're going to be doing is going to be replacing the cabin air filter. So you need to do this on your RAV4 or basically any Toyota. Stay tuned. First thing we need to do is clean out the glove box because the filter is going to be behind it. Here we have this little shock absorber. We pull it out by pulling it towards the right. And then after we do that, we have these little tabs on either side. You push them inward, you should be able to pull the glove box down, and then you can see this is where the lid is at for the filter. Take that off. Look at how the arrow is facing up, like it says airflow is going up, so we gotta make sure that we put the new filter with the arrow facing up. Once we put it in all the way, we gotta put the lid back on. The little hook is gonna be on the back, so we put in the hook first, and then the rest just snaps into place. And then to put the glove box back on, you just kind of like push it up, and then it's gonna click back into place like if you were gonna close it. Don't forget your little shock absorber on the side, and you are done. Hope it helped.